viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be doing episode 2 of Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein. Sorry, Shel. So, I'm happy that I can keep my goal today, and well, I know that these poems are very short, but I'm sorry about that. It's just I just want to have it like this. So here we are at the acrobat. I'll swing by my ankles, she'll cling to your knees as you hang by your nose from a high up trapeze. But just one thing, please, as we flow through the breeze, don't sneeze. So that's actually it. As you can see, the next poem, but well, I'm still going to be reading it tomorrow, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's the end of this poem of Where the Sidewalk Ends by Shel Silverstein. I hope you enjoyed this poem, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the next poem, episode 3. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!